Welcome dear students. In our previous episode, I have explained you about light and properties of light. Today we are going to know about mirrors. There are two types of mirror, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Why it is called a spherical mirror? Because it comes from the sphere shape. So in this one, two types of mirrors are there, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. So now how we have to create ray diagrams for mirror? We can use three principal rays to construct images. In this example, the object is outside of focus, that is F. Ray 1 is parallel to the axis and reflects through F. Ray 2 passes through F before reflecting parallel to the axis. Ray 3 passes through C and reflects back on itself. We use three principal rays to construct images. An image is formed where the rays converge. The image from a concave mirror, objects outside the focal point is real, inverted and smaller than the object. You can see in picture how it is. Two rays would be enough to show us where the image is. We include the third rays for safety only. You don't have to use principal rays, but they are easiest to trace. So Saturday we are having the live classes, that is at 4:30 p.m. IST. If you are having any doubt related concave, convex mirror or light, you can come with your doubt, questions and we will solve your doubts. A whole lot of fun will be there at 4:30 Saturday, and that is 12 Feb. Now continue with our images. The image from a concave mirror object inside the focal point is virtual, upright and larger than the object. You can see in the picture how ray 1 is parallel to the axis, then through F. Ray 2 through F, then parallel to the axis. Ray 3 through C. You could show that if an object is placed at the focal point, reflected rays are emerged parallel and no images is formed. How come? Ray 1 parallel to the axis, then through F. Ray 2 through F, then parallel to the axis. Can't do? So today you all have gone through concave mirror. In next episode, I will take the convex mirror and application of convex mirror. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.